Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with power off because safety matters, turn the stove off and flip the breaker if needed. Once done, remove grates or lift the cooktop to expose the drip pans. You're going to clear loose debris with a soft brush so nothing jams the next step. If a pan feels stuck, use a plastic pry tool and twist gently. This protects enamel and avoids scratches. Make sure to work one burner at a time so you don't misplace parts. Once the pans are free, soak them in hot, soapy water or a 1-to-1 vinegar water mixed to loosen grease and carbon. While soaking, inspect the burner cups and electrical terminals for corrosion. Clean terminals with a dry brush only. After 15-30 minutes, apply a baking soda paste to stubborn spots and scrub with a nylon pad. Avoid steel wool. Rinse thoroughly, dry completely to prevent short circuits, and confirm the pans sit flush before reinstalling. This prevents uneven heating. You'll reinstall by seating each drip pan squarely, reconnecting any terminals, and then testing burners on low heat to confirm proper function. If a burner sparks or heats unevenly, turn power off and recheck terminal alignment and dryness. Moisture or misalignment causes most faults. If a pan is warped, cracked, or the terminal is corroded, replace it. New pans are inexpensive and restore safe performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.